to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. Once again, I'm coming from you from my kitchen, and the reason why is because I live in a wooded area, and it gets very, even though it's 8 o'clock in the morning and the sun is up, I live in a very wooded area, and there's just not enough sun coming in through my living room, definitely not enough from my family room. So my other alternative was here in the kitchen where there's a skylight, or take it outside. And because there's a skylight here and no trees above the skylight, I figured this room had the best light. So today I have a Gap, Old Navy, and a Stitch Fix categories purchase. All right, I'm gonna first go into the Stitch Fix category purchase, which is the Dear John Lillie pant in short, in size 0, color mint, and they were $58. So not cheap because it's Dear John. They're 53% cotton, 45% lyocell, 2% spandex. Now, I've been looking for mint jeans, and I have not gotten any this season, so I'm like, all right, maybe next year. So I said, let me get a pair of shorts in the meantime. And when I got these, you know, the material mix sounds good, and it's cuff, but these cuffs can be released, and they got this 2 slash pockets. But looking at these look to me small, all right? That's number one. Number two, the 2% cotton gives them lycra gives them a lot of stretch. And to me, I'm thinking about these, they're gonna be glued to me when I put them on. I'll give them a try. Hopefully I don't look too ridiculous in them, but they look small, and with the lycra, it looks like the kind that would stick to your body. So these are probably going back, because I'm only keeping things that I love in my wardrobe. I'm currently doing a closet purge this weekend and getting rid of some old things. Next up is a pair of chambray joggers, which you guys know I want. I got them at Athleta. They're the Cabo linen jogger, semi-fitted with a mid-rise waist, fabric, subtly textured linen, feels light on the skin, zip pocket, secure, and detailed essentials. Okay. They have the working pockets in the back, you know, slash pockets. They got like zippered, I guess these are considered like pork chop pockets, but the stitching you don't notice, okay? They're 2 side slash zippered pockets. A drawstring, which is a little bit pet peeve of mine that it doesn't match. And I got these, what size did I get these in? I think I got them in an extra small. I don't think they had petite left. Let me see. Size 0, okay? They did not have petites left. Looking at these, all right, they look really long in the rear end to me, and I have a feeling they're gonna be grandma pants. Moreover, this type of chambray, because it has the like white in it and it's not evenly defined, these look something like grandma would wear. Sorry if I offend anyone, sorry if anyone has these. Maybe I'll be amazed when I put them on. But looking at them right now, these do not look like they would look attractive on me, but I will give them a try. All right. Last up is this dress from Old Navy. All right. I was looking for a black and white striped dress. I saw this. This is the midi knit defined waist. I think they call it slub dress. All right. It has the elastic waist. It's black and white stripes. Pet peeve of mine is this, to me, sloppy, you know, work. The stripes in no way match up anywhere. It's not even close. And I'll be honest, even though this is 100% cotton, made in Indonesia, I'm not thrilled with the fabric. Like, how could you not like 100% cotton? It just does not seem like a good quality cotton, I guess is what I'm saying. And to me, if I put this in the wash, this would look like garbage after I washed it. And this was $21. So the pants were shorts $58, the pants $79, and the dress $21. And I think I'm doing this at 8 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday when I don't have good light, because I plan on running right back to return all these. But give me a minute, I'll do a try it, and I try and keep an open mind in this. Okay, first up I got the Old Navy dress. I already had on a strapless bra due to the outfit I was wearing today. This dress, you know, it fits fine. If the material was better on it and the stripes match up, it might be a consideration, but this is fast fashion, you know, and if I'm not looking for an expensive piece, but I don't want this either, you know. I would love to have a $50, $60 dress that can last me years and years, that is just basic. I prefer a tank style so I can wear a bra with it. But this to me, I mean, I can see that if I wash this, it would look like garbage. It has cute slits on the side. I like that. I think that helps me not look ridiculously short. It has the waist, which I generally prefer. I don't need to have it in a tank dress, but if I don't have it, I need to have it in at the waist. I'll show you the back of it. All right, the armholes are good. So the fit on this is actually pretty good. If I was looking for a cheap dress to wear over as a swimsuit cover-up, this is it. This is great. But I'm looking for something that will take me everywhere from grocery shopping out to dinner. You know what I'm saying? And to me, this I would not feel comfortable with unless it was a dinner on the beach. It's just, the material, you can see it's like all wrinkled, and it's just not a good quality cotton. But if you like cotton things and you're just looking for like a dress to knock around in, this is great. Now, 21 bucks is great, but it's just not what I'm looking for. Okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll throw on a t-shirt and I'll do the shorts and pants. Up next are the Dear John shorts, and as expected, they're like glued to me. I don't think this is a flattering look at all. There's a lot more stretch into them than I had originally thought when I picked them up. They're nice. I mean, if you want soft and stretchy, it's nice, but on the other hand, it's like a jegging material, so it's glued to you. I had to unroll the cuffs. Once I unrolled the cuffs, it's appropriate length for me. When they were rolled up twice, it was just too much and too short. Once I could probably deal with, you know, but when it was rolled up twice, that's a little short for me. I do like my shorts typically to come to my fingertips, and that typically I think is a 4-inch inseam, okay? It has the 2 slash pockets here on the side, which are on the borderline of pulling, and then the back has the 2 patch pockets back here, okay? They're very soft, they're very comfortable because there's a heck of a lot of stretch, but I am trying to move away from the stretch type of materials now. I don't necessarily want to go full-blown no lycra, but I'm looking to get away from the stuff that's so stretchy that it's glued onto my body. I'm kind of like done with that look. Don't get me wrong, I'll still wear my clothes like that. I just don't want to invest in any more and would like some different silhouettes. Okay, up next, the chambray joggers, again, which I'm not hopeful for. Give me a minute. Okay, last up are the joggers, and I'll be honest, I'm pleasantly surprised by the fit of these. As expected though, they are extremely high rise on me, and that is what I'm not so sure about. I'm 5'2", and these are an extra small, and they're claiming they're a mid-rise, and these are an extreme high rise on me. My belly button is right there. Here's where it stops. It stops a good inch, yeah, an inch above my belly button. They have the slash pockets here on the side with a zipper. I don't think they're gonna pull it all. I'll show you the back. I have to look at the footage back to see, but as far as fit, these fit me. I wish they were just a little bit of a lower rise. I'd have to look to see how ridiculously high rise they look on me. Let's see, I might be able to, no. And then like when I pull them down, I get this like buckling here, you know what I mean? So they would have to be high, and I would have to do a front tuck with them. Let me know what you think about these. I'm going to actually publish this video today and ask my friend to look at it and see what she thinks. They were $79. They're from Athleta. And they are, I think, semi-linen, no, cabo linen joggers. I'm going to have to look. I'm going to take them off and look, and I'm going to look back at the footage myself, give you the wrap up, and I'm going to see what I decide. I'm up in the air about these right now. Maybe when I look at footage of like, Carolyn, what were you thinking? All right, give me a minute. I don't know, I look back at the footage, I'm not 100% sold on these. There's a couple things that I don't like about them. One, I don't think I want the pockets zippered. I think I want to put my hands in the pockets. That sounds kind of silly. Two, they are a little bit too long, and like when I sit down, there's like a lot of bunching here just because they're not sitting in the right place on my waist. They're just too long. They ran out of petites, so I can't even order a petite in these. The fabric it's a nice fabric, but it's variegated, so it's not like a solid chambray. It has like white and blue in it. And they're $79, and I mean, I'll pay $79 for pants that I love, but there's things that I'm finding that I just don't make these a love. So I think I'm going to return these joggers. They are a possibility if they do go on sale. I might snatch them up. If they don't, then oh well, then my quest for chambray joggers will have to wait until next year. I still don't have any kind of jogger jeans. I have a pair of olive joggers that are from Cloth and Stone, and I have a pair of navy blue ones. I think they're from Banana Republic, and that's it. I don't really have many in these jogger style. So I would like to get some. If you found a fabulous fitting pair of joggers that aren't sweatpants, you know, let me know, and you know, that's it. I have a Nordstrom anniversary sale that is coming in drips and drabs. I have a trunk club that still hasn't sent, and it's been well over a week now. And let's see, Stitch Fix that should be shipping soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click that notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything. You're not going to get spammed. Nothing. It just notifies you of future videos from me. You can see what I end up buying, what I'm trying to add to my closet, and that's it. Take care, and until next time.